Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Let's quickly have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum has been disappointing many people right now, and when you look at the past 24 hours, you will find that Ethereum is having a little bit of a side movement with a touch of bullish momentum. And as you can see here for the chart, Ethereum is far away from the all-time high. However, it's not really that far from the previous or the second all-time high or a second top or whatever you want to call it. And as you can see here, we're currently on the trajectory to hit or touch the $4,000 mark. Currently, we're at 3.1, but the trajectory is heading towards the 4K. So what to do right now? Oops, a daisy. And whether Ethereum will have any solid performance for the cycle, or should you completely give up on Ethereum for this particular cycle of crypto? I do fundamentally believe that Ethereum still has some momentum. I'm not a big fan of Ethereum. I do hold Ethereum. I do, have some faith in Ethereum, but currently I'm not really a big fan of Ethereum given the fundamental fact that Ethereum has some issues, gas fees and so on, and then they change from proof of work to proof of stake. So things are a bit tricky with Ethereum, let's put it this way. Price-wise, or from an investment point of view, if you want to make profits right now with Ethereum, I do believe that you have to be careful, because after we break out of this consolidation, we can potentially go to 3.5 thousand USD, and then we can reassess the whole situation. That means that we have still some good bullish potential. We can go all the way to 3.5. It's between 3.48 and 3.61. So let's take the median, 3.5K for Ethereum, and then we can reassess the whole situation. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own due diligence, manage your own risks. And also bear in mind that Ethereum is somehow following BTC for the time being, meaning that Ethereum is affected by Bitcoin's movement, of course, amplified a little bit. Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum will somehow catch up some of that momentum and will go up as well. And when you look here at the price, you will find that we're having a very big symmetrical pattern. And if that breaks out, that means that Ethereum can go absolutely crazy. But I do believe, personally, that's not going to happen this cycle. I don't believe that Ethereum will hit a very astronomical number right now. I do believe that the maximum we can do probably is around the previous all-time high of around $5,000 or $4,800. And then we can reassess the whole situation, look at it in depth, and then we can potentially look for higher prices. But I do believe this will take some time, and most likely it's not going to be in this particular cycle. I do believe that currently everyone is just Bitcoin focused. Everyone is just hoping for Bitcoin to go to, 130, 140K. And then they can start thinking about altcoins. In the forefront of altcoins, of course, Ethereum. Many Ethereum fans out there are somewhat frustrated, but I do believe that we have good potential, not massive potential, but good potential to make some profits.